If your wax leaves broken hairs or irritation, you're not alone. Many people make a common mistake. Even some pros get it wrong. Let's learn the low pull technique that changes the game. Most people pull the strip upward. This puts unnecessary stress on your skin. It often leads to hair breakage. That's why results don't last. The fix? Simple: pull low, not up. Step 1. Prep your skin. Start with clean, dry skin. Apply a light layer of pre-wax oil. This protects your skin surface. It helps wax grab hair, not skin. Step 2. Application. Apply wax in the direction of hair growth. Use firm, steady pressure. Think of it as pressing, not spreading. This helps wax hold every hair. Now, here's what really makes a difference. Application matters, but tension matters more. Step 3. Skin tension. Always keep your skin tight. This is where many slip up. Loose skin increases discomfort. Tight skin allows for a clean release. Step 4. The low pull. Now, pull low and close to the skin. Stay parallel, do not pull upwards. Move quickly in with control. This keeps your skin calm. It removes hair from the root effectively. If hair isn't fully removed, check your angle. If it feels too uncomfortable, check your tension. If you see residual wax, use less product next time. Small adjustments lead to better outcomes. Good results come from perfecting your technique. Stay controlled and consistent. This is how professionals achieve smooth results. For more tips, watch our next video.